Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to solve the question for the previous video. So we can see that this is nothing but a parallelogram where area is equals to base times a height. Okay, so if that is the case, it means 10 centimeter times 5 centimeter, you get an answer of 50 square centimeter. 50 square centimeter. So in this video, I actually want to discuss about the area of a circle. Area of a circle. So area is equals to pi r square. So that's how we know area, where pi is equals to 22 over 7 and r is the radius. So how to find the pi? We say the circumference over diameter. In this case now, how do we find an area of a circle? Let us say find the area of a shaded region. Let us draw a circle. Okay, then we draw this. Then I shade outside here. Then we are going to have a center. This is our center. So let us say we have a main center. This is our main center, where it shall have 3.8 centimeter. Then a small, so we are having a radius. This is our first radius and a small radius, which is nothing but 2.6 centimeter. If that is the case, find the shaded region. In this case, it is just that area is equals to pi r square minus pi r square. So 22 over 7 times a bracket of the big radius, which is 3.8 centimeter square minus 22 over 7 times 2.6 square. If that is the case, we end up getting, for the first one, we get 45.3416 square centimeter minus, here we get 21.2264 square centimeters. If you are to subtract, we get nothing but 24.152 square centimeter. And if we are to put to one decimal place, we get to one decimal place. So we get 24.1 to one decimal place. I think this is all for this video. Bye-bye.